Hi guys, today I'm going to show you very simple and quick tips to how to take your data from Excel to any statistical packages like stata or SPSS. Sometimes we have Excel sheet data which have merged cell. So merge cell don't like stata don't like the statistical software don't like the merge cells. So before importing this file, we should make sure this file that we remove all the merge cells. So as you can see in my this, I have this data sheet which has a couple of merge cells like here, the four rows, four cells are merged. So that's going to be really big trouble if I straight away if I import this as it is. So what should I what not only what I do, I create another insert a row. I'm going to create insert row. Let's sure make one more. So just make sure it's a separate out. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'll make sure we should make sure our all the variable name or header should be in the one row. So that's what I'm doing now. Here it is. Look at this. I'm just copying this one, and I'll make sure the copy as it is, like Control C. There was some problem there. The C was removing my data because they are in two cells. So what I'm going to do, copy, and then make sure I copy here. So now I'm going to drag these one too. This one is SN, so I could put S1. This is MRN number, and then here I can put TDS classification. This one is FNA performance, but here I'm going to write palpation, and here I'm going to write again US, and here I'm going to write this one. Just want to make sure. Sorry, and copy this. Then the finalist methodology. Let's come here. It's a long way, so I'm just make sure. Central, and then lateral. ETE, ENE, and this is size of the focus, size of the largest focus. This is same. What is going on? Size of largest focus, and then it's in the node. These are in 3 lines. So I'm going to make sure what I'm doing. Alright, I think we almost done. Capsule. And then we have this one, and then this one. Once you have all these variables, now it's in the one row. All variable. Oh, we make sure there's no. I can see there are some. Or we also make sure there's no hidden column as well. I can see there's some hidden column as well. So make sure we always sort those one as well. Unhide those one. Sorry, should have done it like this. Unhide. So now you can see a lot of unlooking. Otherwise, we would have missed those one. So what I'm gonna do, these one straight away copy. and then we paste it here, paste it as value. So we could go this one, and then we copy this column one more. Here you go. So now we come here. So we have some more data here. Again, this is in, I think it's in one column, so I can straight away do that. So I'm just gonna put this one here. This again in two columns, so maybe it'll give us some problem. So what I'm gonna have the issue copy here, and now I'll copy this one too. Yeah. Yes, and this is quite again into, yeah, it's into two cells, so I have to either copy this one or straight away. I just want to make sure, yeah, look at this. We would have missed those one as well. Pre-op FNA. And then I'm gonna write this one. I'm just wanting to copy palpation, and then yes, we have this one. I think this is one column, so we can do this one straight away. And then here you go, pathology again in three columns. So what is going to be? I just wanted to make sure the purpose is to all the variable name is clear. So what I'm doing now here, so once we have this all done, then we'll be straightforward. Otherwise, we have a lot of issues. So I hope we have nice and clean file, multi-component keys. I'm just these are 3 lines. Make sure you can do it here. You shouldn't be so once you have all those done, that's the variables of the answer. I think we are done now. Yeah. Once we have all copied, all my headers are in one row, so now I think it should be straightforward. Oh no, I should have done it. Make sure you always keep the original file. Don't change the original file. So what I always do, I forget to do it. So let's copy this sheet, and then I create a new sheet here. I call this one all patients 195 revised. So that's our data file. What I'm gonna do here. So whatever I did here, I'm gonna remove this one. So that's our original file there. And then we always make copies. So if we made any drastic changes, it will come off. So now we have, I think, let's see before, make sure there's no missing columns. Just wanted to make sure everything is okay. Just quickly cross checking all the variable has. So all my headers are in one row now. That's really good. We call the variable names, so they're all in one row. So straightforward. I think should be easy now. It won't take longer. So once done, then I make sure, and I'm going to delete this one because I don't need this one anymore. And that's my sheet revised data set. So I've cleaned as much as I can with regard to the variable name or headers. Now I'm going to transfer import this file into a stata. So I'll go to my stata files. I have a stata file here. It will be very, let's say, file is, oh, stata was there already there. So let's first make my directory here. So just change my directory here on my desktop. I created one file for learning. What did I call that? Learning. So that's my, sorry, I created two files. Close this one off, and then that's clear. My file is there. If I have to import this one, straight away I go to import sheet. Make sure I choose this one. First row is my variable name. That's my file name is I'll go to desktop or learning TC data, and then we have to choose the right data sheet. It was the revised one, all version revised that one, and you may see all this one is done. So I'll go there, and then let's remove that one file. And here we go. We have the data sheet here. Go to the data sheet, and here you go. All our file is. So I'll save this whole patient. Just wanted to make sure everything is right. And